Good morning, everyone. Today is World No Tobacco Day. Theme for this year is Commit to Quit. We'll see Act related to tobacco and its product, that is COTPA Act. Cigarette and other tobacco product, Prohibition of Advertisement and Regulation of Trade and Commerce, Production, Supply and Distribution Act 2003 with its amendment. Tobacco is having huge burden. It is foremost common preventable cause of death. It is epidemic and it is one of the biggest public health threats the world has ever faced. According to WHO estimate, annually around 8 million deaths is attributable to tobacco. Out of that, 7 million deaths is due to direct use of tobacco and around 1.2 million is due to indirect or second-hand smoke. According to GATS2 survey in India, India is home for 27 crore tobacco users and globally India is second largest producer and consumer of tobacco products. Annually, around 9,30,000 deaths occurs due to tobacco use and 3,50,000 deaths occurs due to smokeless tobacco use. On an average, daily 3,500 deaths occur due to tobacco use. Tobacco affects every part of body from head to toe. It increases chances of communicable disease spread as tobacco product use like khani, pan masala, gutka increases urge of person to spit, and spitting is lead to spread of tuberculosis, avian influenza, and even H1N1 and even COVID-19 infection also. It increases chances of development of non-communicable disease such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, stroke, then heart diseases, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases. It decreases person fertility. It increases chances of fracture. It decreases person immunity and predisposes him to more infections. In current COVID-19 pandemic, as we are seeing and we are witnessing that person with comorbidity is having higher chances of catching severe COVID-19 infection, and even mortality is also more with person with comorbidities. So, in addition to contributing in development of non-communicable disease and increasing severity and adding to mortality, tobacco also increases chances of transmission of infection because when persons smoke, there is increased chances of spread of infection from hand to mouth. Sharing of hookah or water pipe also leads to increased transmission of infection. So it's high time now commit to quit tobacco and its related product. It will improve your ability of taste and enjoy food. It will add 10 more year in your life. Within 12 hours of quitting tobacco or its product, you will find that carbon monoxide level in blood drop and oxygen level will improve. Within 2 to 12 weeks, circulation will improve and lung function start increasing. It will add to economical benefit also because the person who is consuming around 10 cigarettes a day, if he quit, then around 72,000 per year he will save. Then it decreases the risk of person dying from COVID-19 infection also. Now moving on to COTPA Act. In this act, there is prohibition of smoking at public places, prohibition on advertisement for tobacco product. There is prohibition on sale of tobacco product to minors and within 100 yards of educational institute. There should be compulsory display of pictorial health warning on tobacco product. That should cover around 85% of cigarette packet area. There is fine of 200 rupees on smoking at public places, and these offences are confoundable, and there is punishment in any contravention of convention of this act. This punishment we will see with comparison of recent amendment. Now moving on to amendment, section 3 amendment prohibit on advertisement including all indirect advertisement. Now what do you mean by indirect advertisement? Means you are using trademark, brand name of tobacco or its related product during advertisement, promotion or marketing of any other goods and services, or you are using tobacco use situation or smoking situation during advertisement of any other goods or services, or you are marketing tobacco or its related product with the aid of any other trademark or brand name of any other goods and services. So all this indirect mode of advertisement shall be prohibited under Section 3 amendment. New definitions are added for public places, prohibition on promotions, sponsorship, trademark and tobacco industry. Section 4 amendment, smoking is banned at public places and no designated smoking areas will be there except at international airport. This shall be done in order to protect people from second-hand smoke. And also there is less compliance with the designated smoking area guidelines, and in a place of or in a name of designated smoking area there is mushrooming of hookah bar which is attracting youth more. Under section 6 there is prohibition of sale of tobacco product on person below 21 years, prohibition on sale of tobacco in a loose or in single stick, and there is prohibition of employment of person below 18 years in cultivation process or sale of tobacco products. If smoking is done at public places, then this is punishable with a fine of 200 rupees. This shall increase to 1000 rupees. There is prohibition on on-site advertisement of tobacco and its related products, and offences are cognizable and bailable. Draft also proposes to expand the scope from smoking prohibited at public places to prohibition of tobacco use at public places. As we already have seen in previous slides that use of tobacco and its related product, that is khaini, pan masala, gutka, increases urge of spitting, and the spitting of tobacco products is a cause of spread of tuberculosis, avian flu, H1N1 virus and even COVID-19. So they proposes to expand scope from smoking prohibited at public places to prohibition of tobacco use product at public places. Draft bill also proposes to set up National Control Organization, that is NTCO, that will implement and monitor CODPA 2003 Act. There is new notification dated 21st July 2020 and it gives provision, there shall be textual health warning and pictorial health warning. This textual health warning will display tobacco causes painful death with white font color and black background, and quit today with toll-free number of 1800112356 in a white font color with a black background. And this textual health warning, above this textual health warning there is pictorial health warning displaying ill effect due to tobacco. So like this, there is tobacco causes painful death in a white font color with a red background, and quit today call with toll free number of 1800112356 in white font color with a black background, and above this textual health warning there is pictorial health warning displaying ill effect of tobacco. Now in section 7 amendment, the word nicotine and tar content shall replaced by constituent and emission, because there is no safe limit or permissible limit for nicotine and tar content. So this word shall be replaced by constituent and emission. Now moving on to offence and punishment under CODPA 2003 Act and under amendments. So on contravention of provision of act by manufacturer, then on first offence there is imprisonment for 2 years or fine of 5,000 or even both, and on subsequent offence there is 5 years of imprisonment or 10,000 fine. In amendment, this fine amount is increased from 5,000 to 50,000 and from 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees. If this contravention of provision of act is by seller or distributor, then there is imprisonment for 1 year and 1,000 fine or even both, and on next offence 2 years of imprisonment and 3,000 fine. In amendment, this fine is increased from 1,000 to 10,000 and this 3,000 to 25,000. There is punishment for advertisement of tobacco product. For punishment is imprisonment for 2 years and 1,000 fine, and on subsequent offence 5 years of imprisonment and 5,000 fine. In amendment, there is punishment for manufacturer or to fail to disclose to government about constituent and emission, and also fail to display it on the package of tobacco product. Then he will have on first offense imprisonment for 2 years and 50,000 fine, or even both. And on subsequent offense, he will have 5 years of imprisonment and 1 lakh fine. If someone is selling tobacco product without warning sign, then as like contravention or provision of act by seller and distributor, punishment is same. That is, on first offense there is imprisonment for 1 year and 10,000 fine, or even both, and on subsequent offense 2 years of imprisonment and fine of 25,000. So this is all about CODPA Act, what is provision, what is punishment, and what is amendments in the act. Now regarding some punishment under electronic cigarette, violation of electronic cigarette rules. It will cover production, manufacture, import, export, transport, sale, distribution, storage, and advertisement. These are cognizable offence with punishment for first offence of imprisonment for 1 year and 1 lakh fine, or even both, and on subsequent offence imprisonment of 3 years and fine of 5 lakhs. If someone found to have storage of electronic cigarette, then he will have imprisonment for 6 months or fine of 50,000, or even both. So this is all about CODPA Act and its amendment. Say no to tobacco, commit to quit. You can quit by calling on toll-free number, that is Quitline 1800 or M suggestion number 01122901701. Seek counseling and medical therapy if needed. Be aware about the Act, its provision and punishment. Help in implementation of Act. Report if you find any violation of Act. Stay healthy, stay happy. That's all for today. Thank you.